Hello, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, USD, NZD USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 4th March 2021 Thursday. So this video is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis and tomorrow's recommendation. Okay. So, so the first stock for the day is Anglo American. Okay, you can see that yesterday it has crossed beautifully above the daily resistance at 2950 level, and ultimately it closed above the daily resistance, and it has made a hammer kind of a pattern. So you can see that there was a good price rejection from below. Okay, so if you get the stock today above 3004, and if you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 3004, then it's a buy. Okay, 3004 is the level for the day. So the second stock for the day is Rio Tinto. For Rio Tinto, you can see that yesterday it tried to cross the resistance available at 6548. Okay, it failed. There was some pressure from above, and ultimately it had to close below the daily resistance. It could not close above the daily resistance also, and it closed at 6435 level. So today, hmm, today if you see that there is a gap up opening, okay, if there is a gap up opening and the stock opens above the daily resistance or above 6485 level, okay, then let the stock cross 6549 level. Okay, this line, okay, let me draw. If the stock opens here today, okay, then let the stock cross this line, okay, 6549 level. And if you see that stock has crossed 6549 level, and let the stock trade comfortably for at least 15 to 30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, let it sustain for 30 minutes, okay, then only you should go for buy order. Otherwise no. Otherwise no. And if you find a stock between this range and this range, then you should not trade, you should avoid the stock. Okay, that is your no trading zone. Only go for buy above 6549 level. If you see that stock has made the resistance as support, only buy above 6549. Okay, so the next stock for the day is SKG. SKG, you can see that yesterday it has bounced from 3466, and ultimately it managed to close above above the daily resistance. Ultimately closed at 3530 level. So if you find a stock today trading above 3530 level, then buy. If the trend is in your favor, if you see that yes, bulls are there, bulls are still present, they are taking hold of the stock, then it's a buy above 3530 level. And just keep put your stop loss below this line around 3512 or 3515. So the fourth stock for the day is Aviva. Actually, I have my diary here. I have written here. My handwriting is not that good. Okay, so the fourth stock is Aviva. For Aviva, you can see that Aviva has made a big candle on the daily chart, and it has crossed the daily resistance with massive volume. Okay, so for Aviva also the strategy is simple. If you find a stock trading above 385 today, buy. Your target will be 389 or 390. Okay, just get your confirmation. Okay, you can get your confirmation in the form of an indicator, your strategy, your volume or whatever. Okay, just make sure that you're not against the trend. Suppose if you see that today Aviva opened at 380, you should not buy. Okay, that high. As I mentioned earlier, you should only buy above 385. Okay, so the next stock is Phoenix Group Holding. Okay, for Phoenix Group Holding, buy will be only above this level. Okay, 389.6 or 340. If you find a stock trading between 730 to 738, if you find a stock between these range 730 or 738, then that is your no trading zone. Just avoid the stock. Only trade just above 740 or 739.6. If the stock opens above 740 level, then it's good enough. If you see that stock is open say 735 736, then let the stock cross this level. Okay, if you see that there is a breakout, stock has successfully crossed 740 level, okay, then let the stock sustain for 30 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then you can buy. So the last stock for the day is Legal and General Group, LGEN, and you can see that LGEN has crossed the daily resistance with a massive candle with massive volume and ultimately closes 282.6. Strategy is simple for the day. If you get the stock trading comfortably above 282.6 level, buy. Okay, and in case the stock comes down, okay, in case the stock comes down and hits this level of hits the level of 279, okay, there's a support available at 279. So you may see that, sorry, see that stock is taking support at 279. That if you see some good price rejection from below at 279 level, then also you can buy. Otherwise, buy above 282.6 or if the stock takes support at 279 level. So these are the stocks where you can trade for the day on 4th March 2021 Thursday. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always try to bring the video just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, and please do subscribe.